Oh, look at here. Oh, I've never felt so good pulling something out in my whole life. You ready? All right. Let's give a little try right here. See how this is just all whacked out? There's big old hunks just going all over the place, see? That's supposed to be smooth like that. So let's use this new Milwaukee grinder and see what we can screw up. We're gonna take that exhaust off. All right, hang on just a second here. All right, let's get this off here so we can do some generic body work here. Was I going backwards? I think I was going backwards. Oh no, that screw is, okay, hang on here. There are probably mechanics and older folk in here that are laughing their ass off at me, and that's okay. That's why we do this. Okay, that's as loose as that's going to get. I shouldn't have to take all this off. I mean, this should not have to come all the way off. What do you want to bet? What do you want to bet? I shouldn't have even untightened that. What if it's just all part of the exhaust pipe? Let's get underneath there and find it out. Welcome into the live. We're not at a car lot. Y'all get to laugh at me and my non-mechanicness. Hang on a minute here. All right. No, because see, there's the muffler. I know what I'm talking about here. I know what I'm talking about. Okay. It's probably melted together. Burton. So I got to blowtorch. Do I need to go buy a blowtorch? I need this off, man. In case you just get a bat or something, just beat it off. Just beat it. I don't have any heat, so brute strength. My dad always told me that you can't solve problems with brute strength. I totally disagree with him. I'm going to take some other piece of metal after I get this clamp off, and then I'm going to beat this exhaust pipe off because it's coming off, and it's coming off right now on this live. All right, Big Daddy, you heard it. So I'd start cooperating, or this is going to get real nasty. I don't want people to see that I'm really a psychopath. So just work with me, okay? Just play right and do what you're supposed to do. You son of a bitch. You still work after that? Yeah, that's a Milwaukee. I can take it. Ha-ha! I win, you son of a bitch. All right, now, let's see what we got to do here. Miss Mac, I feel these, right here, I feel this prong thing. Miss Mac, I can't proceed until we get this done. Because see, the next part that needs body work is on the quarter panel. And I'm not going into the quarter panel until I start on something small. See, there is a method to this stupidity of mine, okay? I am a dumbass. However, there's an itinerary to the dumbassness. I just want you to know that. So I just want you to know that. That's not even that hot. Something fell in the front. Oh, look at this! Come on, you bastard. I'm gonna win. I know it. I can do this. Come on, Casey. Oh, look at here. Oh, I've never felt so good pulling something out in my whole life. You ready? Oh, Hobbly Nation, this is for you. Ah! Come here, baby. Oh, we got to... Well, okay. Man, I knew this was going to be bad. I knew this was going to be bad. See, let me explain to you what's going on here. Okay, let me tell you. They call this the rear apron. Okay, let's have a serious conversation because I am silly, but I do know what I'm doing, partially. This is called the rear apron in a Volkswagen Beetle, okay? And this is actually just one little piece, okay? But it is welded in. It's like tacked in, and if you think I'm afraid of body work, you can only imagine the fear I would have from a welder. So I am trying to not have to replace this piece. But you know what? I don't know that there's any way around it, especially since I've carved the fucking Hoover Dam in this down here. By the way, I do know this. Bodywork, Bondo, plastic filler. It does not go in inches. It should be skim coat. Anybody ever seen Sopranos? It's a skim coat, not that cheap time. Anyway, sorry, that's Ralphie April. But anyway, skim coat. You don't put Bondo in inches. I do know that much. Body work and Bondo in inches is not a good thing. So anyway, I don't know what we're going to do here. Yeah, Rexy, we got some serious shit going on here, my man. I done messed this all up.